Life is like a road, long and short roads, smooth and rough roads, crooked and straight paths. In the journey of a life, we come across so many roads. Some roads lead to happiness, whereas some roads lead to disappointments. Some roads lead to victory. On the other hand, some roads lead to failures and disappointments. So today, my video will represent the crisscross road for the science students, as now they are in a dilemma to what career option they must select. As the time has changed, so has the new career opportunities for science streams have been updated. Let's talk about them and have a good career counseling for all the science students through this video. Gone are the days when becoming a doctor or engineer were the only career options for science students to pursue. Even today, one only hears the mention of the conventional professions to pursue. New age professions are often shadowed or considered economically unreliable, thus pushing a large number of aspirants into the same rut of the mad rat race. The study of the three streams of science, namely physics, chemistry, and biology, opens up a whole new world of opportunities ranging from the study of space and nuclear particles to the study of the sand and soil. Today, through this video, let's resolve this issue and make your decision making more stronger with some exciting careers coming for you all. The first career that I'm going to introduce to you all is artificial intelligence and machine learning. What is artificial intelligence? So let's discuss about it. With rapid digitalization creeping into almost every function of modern living, professionals who can understand this are going to be priceless. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are not only innovative and exhilarating, but also greatly in demand. Moreover, large corporations are also investing huge amounts of money in people who have expertise in these processes, thus making it an extremely commercially viable profession as well. A lot of universities in India are offering these courses as a degree program. To pursue practical artificial intelligence and machine learning as a career, a degree in computer science with additional courses in artificial intelligence and machine learning can suffice. Machine learning programs are offered by the most prestigious institution in India. So which are those institutions which provide these programs? They are indeed IIT Delhi and IIT Bangalore, with more than 500 plus in-house faculty members who are the best in their subject matters. An approximate salary for an artificial intelligence and machine learning professional can be in India that ranges from 6 lakhs to 8 lakhs at a fresher level. And experienced professionals can take home quite a higher package, up to approximately 16 to 18 lakhs an annum. Now let's talk about the second profession, that is data science. Data you all collect in your laptops, mobile, computers. But what is data science? Many of you would not have even heard about it. So let's talk about it and discuss as well as share the opportunities available for the data scientist. Data science is the study of different kinds of data by the application of scientific methods, processes, and algorithms. As artificial intelligence and machine learning is one of the new age career options available for science students to practice. In today's time, data is considered as the most important thing in an organization. Companies are relying on mining and decoding of high quality data to implement in their operations. It has become a benchmark for driving growth for investors and corporates alike. A mixture of computer science, maths, and analytics. Data science helps a professional to forecast future business numbers and other technical data. This can be very helpful for companies in planning future operations. Some industries where data science has key significance are risk management, farming, and forensics, as well as fraud management too. You can become a data science professional by simply pursuing a degree in computer science at the undergraduate level and then pursuing a short-term course or post-graduation in data science for additional expertise. Courses on data science are offered by IIT Bangalore through Upgrade and are especially good in this domain. Speaking about the salary now. In India, an entry-level data scientist can cash in up to around 6 to 7 lakh rupees an annum, rising steeply with the accumulation of year-on-year experience and skill development. Now let's talk about the third career option. Again, a unique one related to business. Business analytics related to commerce students? No, even science students can do business analytics. What's that? Let's see. Though used alternative in various contexts, data science and business analytics are not the same. While business analytics and data analytics both are the study of data, the nature of data studied varies. Data science is the application of algorithms and mathematical formulas to study data, later used in devising mechanical processes, whereas business analytics is the study of business data used to make key decisions of the company. Data science involves the study of structured and unstructured data, while business analytics studies highly structured data to bring in important changes in business decisions. A profession in business analytics is highly technical and intellectual in nature. It involves dealing with the top rank of a company's management and is hence considered highly rewarding. You can pursue a career in business analytics by obtaining a specialization in business analytics as a part of your undergraduate or postgraduate degree. Top companies in India are hiring business analytics professionals to reward them handsomely, with the salary ranging from 7 lakhs to 17 lakhs, depending on the level of experience and market conditions. Some big corporates where business changes are more frequent and radical and are also known to go beyond 17 lakh figure in compensation. So to conclude, I would like to say MBA in business analytics is an up and coming area of expertise that is gaining increasing traction in all sectors of the industry. The specialization shows a positive and promising outlook. And for those of you who have long been skeptical about choosing their career path, you can go ahead and start your MBA journey in business analytics. Talking about the next career option, and that is software designing. If your interest lies in making innovative programs, software, and apps that make life and processes easier for people, then this one is for you. Similar to the professions mentioned earlier, software designing and development involves advanced knowledge of computer programs and languages. a highly creative field. Software designing can enable you to let your imagination flow freely to create useful software for individuals and companies. Though this vocation can be pursued by graduates from other fields as well, a degree in science is preferred. Software designing is very easy to study and practice. You can pursue it even while you are studying for your undergraduate degree. However, for a more substantial and profitable career, you may want to do a specialized course in the field. Since the volume of software designer is very high and this profession requires a lesser amount of specialization like the others, the returns are considered average. However, software designers with an enviable portfolio and good experience can easily take into a few lakhs a month. Now let's talk about the next interesting career for you all, and that is space tech. While being a doctor, engineer, biologist, pharmacist are some undisputed career options for science students, the interest in the sciences of space is slowly rising in young adults. Nevertheless, now with technology becoming integrated with almost every field of study, space tech is surely gaining momentum. Space tech basically is the application of digitalization and technology to create tools and machines that can be used in operations related to outer space and the solar system. Space technicians create vehicles, machines, and other tools that help scientists research outer space better. A highly specialized field. To practice in the space tech industry, you would ideally need a degree in space sciences and mechanical engineering. However, this is an interesting career option for individuals interested in decoding the mysteries of outer space. Individuals practicing space tech and space sciences can earn anything in the range of a few thousands per month to a few lakhs even. The scope in this field is still growing, hence making the opportunities for growth endless. If rocks, earth, soil, and land are your area of interest, then geology is for you. Geologists are scientists who specialize in the study of the earth and soil. These specialists study an area and forecast any potential threats like earthquakes, volcanoes, etc. Based on this study, they draw up plans for builders and construction companies to create structures. Geology is an important but underrated and unconventional field of science. To become a geologist, one can pursue a 4-year bachelor's degree in geology along with a master or doctorate for further specialization. Since it is a very underrated and unconventional field of study, the salary is not as high as the profession mentioned above. So, however, this is a passion-driven profession, and earning does rise as one gains more experience. Starting salary can be in the range of 3.5 lakh to 5 lakh per annum. Next comes forensic pathologist. Forensic pathologists are doctors specializing in dead bodies and their secrets. Their role is to basically help the lawmakers in finding criminals by decoding clues from a dead body. Forensic pathologists spend hours doing the post-mortem of a dead body to identify the causes of death and other clues. Interesting, isn't it? A simple MBBS with a specialization in forensics can take you here. Forensic pathology usually work with the government agencies and are very well paid. An average forensic pathologist can make an approximate amount of around 25 to 30 lakh an annum. So today, technical writers an upcoming profession in the present time. Technical writers, also called as technical communicators, prepare instruction manuals, how to guide, journals, articles, and other supporting documents to communicate complex and technical information more easily. They develop and gather the technical information through an organization's communication channels. So basically, what do technical writers do? Let's discuss. Technical writers determine the needs of users of technical documentation. They study product samples and talk with product designers and developers. They work with technical staff to make their products easier to use and thus require fewer instructions. They write and organize supporting content for the products. They edit, standardize, or make changes to material prepared by the writers or establishment personnel. They even use photographs, drawings, diagrams, animation, and charts that increase users' understanding of their material. They select appropriate medium for message or audience such as manuals or online videos. Standardize content across platforms and media. They gather user feedback to update and improve their content. They revise content as new issue arises. So technical writers create paper-based and digital operating instructions, how-to manuals, assembly instructions, and frequently asked questions pages to help technical support staff, consumers with product liability specialists, and consumer service managers to improve the end user experience through product design changes. So talking about the other things that they do, you can even sign up as a writer for a specialized science-based magazine or create your own independent content through YouTube or Instagram. As regards to salary, the technical writers are paid for their knowledge on per word basis. For more experienced and proficient writer, they can even earn more. Now talking about the next profession, and that is of astrophysicist. This is one of all those astronomers, stargazers, and the Big Bang Theory fans. Astrophysics is a field of science where principles of chemistry and physics are employed to study the matters in outer space. These scholars deeply study the birth and death of stars and cosmic matter and base their research on them. These scientists usually have a doctorate degree in astrophysics and are paid anything between 15 to 50 lakh per annum by leading corporations and research institutions in India.